Hi everybody, welcome to the video surprise of the day. Today's video surprise on an LG 5.2 cubic feet washer. So I purchased this one many months ago, probably more than 6 months, and I thought I'd do a video on this one. Please remember to hit the subscribe button, the bell icon to be notified new videos, and I really appreciate that thumbs up. So I've been using this washer, and this is the best washing machine I ever purchased. To me, this one is beautiful and also works really well. So I'm gonna walk through the washing machine a little bit over here and do a demo. And I tell you, this is the model number for the washing machine MW8980HWA. And I purchased this one at Costco. The color doesn't match my dryer, which is a different brand, which is fine. I don't really care because I need a new washing machine. It's a mega capacity smart Wi-Fi enabled front load washer with turbo wash and built-in intelligence. So a lot of features, a lot of mouthful of details as well too. And you can see this is where you put the soap in, detergent, and it's a nice dial. Just press this lightly, and it goes on. Then you can toggle to which mode you want. We're gonna do normal. Just gonna walk through it. Suppose you do normal. Check this out. Extra rinse. You can extra rinse 1 time, 2 times, or even 3 times. So that's really awesome. You press it again, it clears. Usually I do just 1 time, and also maybe say do a pre-wash, for example. And that's all you need to do. If you press the steam button, then you lose the pre-wash, of course, and you can have a delay wash as well. You also can have co-wash. So, but I didn't really press that, I guess. So turbo wash. All right. So if you cancel anything, just turn it off and turn it back on. Simple as that. So this is a great washing machine, and the color is beautiful. And I didn't buy a set because I already have a dryer. And for those people know that I purchased a Samsung dryer, wasn't totally happy, so I decided to branch out and get an LG product instead. And this one's super awesome. You know, can't afford to get rid of the Samsung to get another LG, but maybe someday, right? So I'm just going through the different modes, and that one is heavy duty mode. You notice the settings are preset, and you always could change these settings as well too. Bedding, there's a preset setting for bedding as well too. You can see that here, and bright whites as well. So you know it's the temperature to spin, the soil, etc. Right? Here's the allergen. Pardon me if I mispronounced that name. There's also a tub clean option as well, which I thought was a little bit amazing. So I don't think I'd be using that much at all. So, and I don't know what's downloaded. You can read the manual on that part, but there's a speed wash. It's wash really fast, I assume. Squish wash, and there's one for towels. Strictly for towels, pretty much. Permanent press, right? And delicates. So you notice the time change on the delicates. And this unit also has a LED white light inside. And if your clothes are finished, it'll sing the song for you, and the light will stay on for a while, then it goes off. So it doesn't stay on forever. And to start and stop, just press that button lightly. There's also a like a clean out over here in particular. So, so that's the quick walkthrough of the unit itself. All right, over here we have it in action, and I have to say, this LG has been the most quiet washing machine I have had, most quiet machine I ever have had. And compared to my old Samsung, which is many years ago, that was really noisy. I have a Samsung video, that one, and very much refined. Yes, I have a tray on the bottom. Sometimes it makes it shake a little bit more than it used to, but still it's very quiet. I like the chrome around the doors, and the color looks beautiful. What do you think? Is that your favorite color? So the one I have over here, I purchased from Costco. Just want to mention that, but you probably could purchase similar one from say Lowe's or Home Depot or someplace else. 5.2 cubic feet mega capacity, that's what they call it, turbo wash technology, built-in intelligence, AI fabric sensor, and smart pairing. It also has AAFA certified LG water, thin Q technology with proactive customer care and cold water technology. In a mouthful, but all I really care about this is making my clothes nice and clean, and a lot of options for different settings, for example, right? For me, a lot of times, the detergent needs to be really clean, otherwise it gets a little irritating on the skin and stuff like that. So maybe do extra rinse, for example, right? And maybe you don't want to do pre-wash if your clothes are really dirty, or do different settings that you could tune on the unit itself. So I know another viewer of mine asked, well, what washer do you get replacing your old Samsung? So I got this LG one. So number of wash cycles 12, number of wash temperature is 5, number of wash options is 13. So it is electrical one, FY, and the voltage is 120 volt. Okay, so I just want to mention that. And the appliance dimensions. The width is 92. I'm sorry. The width is 29 inches. Then the depth is 32.88 inches, and the height is 40.75 inches. So those folks, you make sure it fits before you purchase. That's the important thing. So large size is 4.6 to 5.2 cubic feet. That's cubic feet, by the way. And the washer tub material is stainless steel, so that's a nice thing. So the weight of the unit is 225 pounds. Washer width is 29 inches. So I purchased it first time ever from Costco and tried their service. Yes, they have a 2-year warranty and it works really well. I'm very happy with the product. It looks a bit different than the other the dryer I have, but it doesn't really bother me that much in particular. But this is a very nice washing machine. I have no complaints so far, and I don't think it's going to change much because I would have used it more than 6 months ago. So probably approaching 9 months or so. So I'm really going to test it out first. Of course, like all appliances, over time, eventually they'll break. This one's no different. Front loading, saves water, front load washer, and it just really, really nice. I mean, something really quiet, especially when it spins really fast. You just don't hear it if you're on the second floor, and second floor or even the first floor downstairs. So when you finish, the light goes on. Hopefully this video helps you out. Really appreciate a thumbs up, comment, or share, leave it below. And I'll see you next time. Have a good one. Bye.